In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the neutral safety switch on your Scion BX. This is going to be located on the front of the transmission under the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to get around the nut in the middle of our neutral safety switch. I'm going to use a pair of pliers, and I'm going to hold on to this lever bracket. I'm going to loosen the nut on my neutral safety switch. Remove the washer, and I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to help me separate these two. There's quite a bit of rust buildup in between them. Remove the bracket. Using a 22mm socket, loosen the nut. And we're going to fully remove it. Remove the connector. We have a push button right on my top finger. Push on that button, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Tuck that up out of the way. We have two 10mm bolts we're going to have to loosen and remove. Remove both bolts. Our sensor is pretty good and stuck on this shaft. I'm going to go around trying to break up between the shaft and these collets. I used a pry bar to help me get behind the neutral safety switch and get it popped off of the stud. Using a wire brush or a light grit, we're going to clean up our shaft. Get rid of any of the corrosion, rust, or dust. I'm going to go ahead and get the two bolts started. Get the two bolts started. We're going to use an adjustable wrench and turn our transmission to the neutral position manually. Now what we're going to do is we're going to line up our neutral safety switch with that line. And that's going to be our neutral line facing straight up. Snug the two bolts down. Make sure that your neutral safety switch has not moved. Snug down the center nut. Snug down the center nut, but don't let the transmission move from position. Install the bracket onto the neutral safety switch. Make sure you install your washer and then install the nut. Hold the bracket and snug down the nut. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a push. Make sure it's locked on. Torque the 10mm bolts to 48 inch-pounds. And we're going to torque our middle nut to 9 foot-pounds. While we do this, we want to make sure it doesn't twist or turn. Hold it with a pair of pliers. We're going to hold our bracket still. And we're going to torque our nut to 9 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.